everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious garbanzo chicken curry or chickpea curry and typical Punjabi chicken curry with Chite Chole. Chickpea chicken curry. I have a 5-pound organic chicken. I'm going to cut into smaller pieces. Onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, green chili. I made it a smooth paste. Organic tomato sauce. Olive oil for tadka. Salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri mirch, turmeric powder, garam masala and cumin seed. So the first step will be we're going to cut up the chicken. The whole organic chicken has cut into smaller pieces. As for the curry, we're going to use 4 cup water. And let's start making our delicious garbanzo chicken curry. Get a pot, start gas, add olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera. Give like 10 seconds, this is good enough. Add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Mix it well. Cook for 20 seconds until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Now add onion. Mix it well. And we're going to cook tadka really well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. The tadka is nicely cooked. And now we'll add tomato puree. Mix it well. Cook tomato puree with tadka really well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Tomato along with tadka is nicely cooked. Add all the spices. Turmeric powder, Kashmiri mirch, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, tomato sauce, half can. Mix it well. Keep mixing and keep cooking. Cook spices and tomato sauce along with tadka for 2 minutes. Cooking all spicy tomato sauce along with tadka for 2 minutes. Add chicken. Mix it well. Once all the tadka is nicely combined with the chicken, with open lid, cook chicken with tadka for 10 minutes. Cooking chicken for 10 minutes. I'll add garam masala and garbanzos, chickpeas, Chite, Chole. These are pre-cooked and I just opened the can. I washed with cold water and that's all I did. Now bring your gas to medium, mix it well. The chickpea, the garbanzos, Chite, Chole is combined with chicken. Now we'll add water, 4 cups water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely mixed, on medium gas, I'll put the cover on. With the cover lid, cook it for 15 minutes. Occasionally stir it so it won't get burned. It's exactly 15 minutes cooking on a medium heat. I'm going to open the lid. Mix it well. After 10 minutes I opened it and stirred it once. This is how it looked. After checking it, we did 15 minutes and now bring your gas to low, which is simmer, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes on simmer, I'll open it. Mix it. Now I will add kasuri methi. Mix it well. After adding kasuri methi, cover with the lid again, simmer for 2 minutes so that it can absorb all the kasuri methi flavor. Simmering for 2 minutes, I'll open the lid. And now coriander leaf, dhania, or we call it cilantro. Mix it well. Chicken is fully cooked, you can see. All the meat is pulled back, the bones are exposed. Garbanzo chicken curry. Please try it. And it's all done. And you can serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, or best of all with the rice plof. I hope you like this dish. If you like it, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day.